Hello friends, today I am making hara matar kebab with a mint and curd dip. It goes very well among your friends and gatherings or at a tea time snack. It can be served. It tastes really yummy. It is very crispy and tasty. The main part is this kebabs does not soak much of oil. It keeps dry. So I think it is healthy. You can have it. You can try it at the small gatherings at your place as a tea time snack. Its ingredients are very simple, which is easily available at home. And this will be loved by any age group. I assure you children will love it. Let's go and cook. For making hara matar kebab, we need dry green matar that is available in the market. We have to soak this in water overnight. After soaking overnight, I got this one. It's nice fluffy and swollen. And I also need some half cashews for decorating the kebabs. Besides this, we need 2 spicy green chilies, 1 small size of ginger, some coriander leaves and some fresh mint leaves. All this we have to grind in the mixie along with this soaked mutton. This has to be grounded coarsely. We should not make it fine paste because the kebabs will become mushy. I'll show you how to make it. Into the mixer jar, we'll take the mint leaves, coriander, and we'll break the green chili into small pieces. And we'll cut this ginger into small pieces. And we'll first grind this into coarse paste, not fine paste, just coarsely we grind it. It's been grounded coarsely, you can see this. Into this we'll add this matar, soaken matar, which has to be devoid of any water. Don't add any water, otherwise it will become runny. I'll use half the portion now, the second half I'll grind it later. It's been grounded coarsely, you can see this. See, it is not a fine paste, it is coarsely ground. Now we will grind the remaining piece in the same manner. Remaining piece also I grinded to coarsely. Add cumin seeds into it. Salt to taste, about half to 3/4 teaspoon. Yeah, according to taste you can add. And a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it thoroughly and make it into this size of balls. In the meantime, I have kept the kadai and poured some cooking oil for deep fry. Now we have to flatten it along with using 1 kaju for decoration, and it also tastes good. The reason why we are soaking this cashew nut is cooking time becomes different if you are using the dried cashew nut and this green matter. So to maintain that temperature, we have to soak it so that they get evenly cooked without burning the cashews. I'll make 2 to 3 like this, then I'll put them simultaneously into the hot oil. Flame should be medium not very high or very low. If it is very low, it will soak more oil, and if it is very high, it gets cooked faster and inside it will be uncooked. I'll check whether the oil is hot. Yes, it is nice hot. Let us drop one at a time. It is getting cooked. Let us flip this to the other side so that the other side also gets cooked up. Slowly flip it, otherwise it will spill the oil. Yeah, take some time to slowly cook it. Don't be in a hurry. One more time, let me flip and see. The other side is cooked. Yeah. It will take some more time. We have to get nice brown color. It's ready, done. We can take it out. I got the desired color. Now it is time to remove it. This is how we need the color. Let us serve it with mint chutney. I'll show you how to serve it. For making mint dip, we need thick curd, 1 green chili, half a lemon, a small piece of ginger, a handful of fresh mint, and nicely roasted cumin seeds it is, and a small piece of rock salt. I will be freshly grinding both this cumin seeds as well as this rock salt. I will be freshly grinding and putting it into the dip. Put the green chilies, ginger, and the fresh mint leaves, and a dash of lemon is a necessity because it retains green color. Otherwise, it will turn black. I'll grind the cumin seeds and rock salt, that is kala namak, and powder it, and I'll mix it. We'll mix the ground black salt and fried roasted jeera powder. This green chutney, I made it using some water and some salt to taste. Whisk it thoroughly to make it a fine paste. Ready to be served. Your hara matar kebab, very crunchy and mint dip. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you'll try it.